seen you.
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
Ada, what is wrong?
You be mumu.
You've been quiet since dinner.
Before, Uncle.
In fact, these days, I don't understand your gospel.
She what?
Nothing. Ada, nothing. In that tone means something.
Correct.
Talk to me. It's fine, Chike. Eat your phone since that is who you are married to.
How many times would they tell you?
Okay, I get it now.
They play.
You feel I have been ignoring you?
So how they play?
This one has past feelings.
Okay.
It is now a fact. Every single day in the past 1 month, it's like I don't exist to you when you are home.
Hey, yeah.
No gist back.
Too bad.
It's just you and that screen. You are right. I didn't even realize how much I was zoning out.
Oh, better.
I'm sorry, Ada.
Oh.
Though I appreciate you not trying to argue it away or defend it.
Hold up. Wait a minute.
But saying sorry isn't magic, Chike. Right again.
Correct.
I'm a Ruby Costa.
How about we start fixing this right now?
Okay.
Phone down, TV off, just you and me. Next time, I will talk too,
Oh, better.
instead of just sulking for a month. And
Okay.
next time, I will see you before seeing my phone. Listen.
Check out our sites or socials for all the series run this week. Hot.